Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this video, I'll show you how to watch free movies on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Alright, now we're going to use the app of choice. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you with Pluto TV. So I have this app downloaded, installed. I have videos showing you how to download and install this app. When you download and install the app, launch it as I have done, and then you find the app launched. So the first option is a live TV. I love this section, giving you ability to see different channels. So as you can see, that's DAZN, that's CNBC, or that's CBS, non-stop drama. All these channels are here in different categories: movies, comedy. As you go down the list, you see the categories: South Park, classic TV comedies, and so on. Also, you have this option to go to free movies and TV shows. If you just click on that, give it a second to load, and there you have Hero Carousel, different TV shows, different movies, Spaceballs. But all of these are free. As you saw, we do not need any signing. If you have, if you're in a sort of a different zone, you could just use a VPN, and that's all you need. So all of this is available. All you need to do is just toggle on and begin to enjoy these shows, movies, all for free. Now, if you found that video insightful, if the information was valuable, let me know in the comments below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.